Are these CACOE camera lens protectors going to be worth it for the 17 Pro Max or Pro models? Let's find out. As far as everything included, you have your lens protector pieces right here, and then you also do have your cleaning kit, which is going to come with your microfiber cloth and all that good stuff. As far as the installation on these though, it's a really easy process. This actually acts as an installation tray. So all you have to do is just line the tray up with your lenses, place it on there. To make sure they fit nice and snug, you can do a little bit of a press down. Lift up carefully, and as you can see, they are nicely installed there. And if at any moment you want to take these off, this little piece does act as a remover tool. You can see it at the bottom. Overall though, really nice installation on these, and they do have a nice snug fit, so they won't be falling off. What's great about these too is that you're not going to lose any camera quality, so if you're recording or taking photos of them, you don't have to worry about any blurriness or anything like that. They are nice and crystal clear. Full tempered glass and scratch resistant too, so obviously they are made to protect your camera lenses. I ended up going with the orange one because I wanted a color match with my 17 Pro Max, and it does give it a nice orange feel to it. And if you are looking for camera lens protectors, I would definitely recommend these from CACOE. They do a great job. They're really easy to install, and like I said, they have a great tempered glass to them.